We got out our defence equipment, which is flares and a gun, and once we had that organised, we then tried to scare it away. So when it sort of came in close, we went boom! and it ran off.
And I ran away.
He's a remarkable rock climber. He's a very strong mountaineer. He's obviously very disciplined in mind. Jon's in a class of his own, I think.
He's done so much, and not just in the field of polar trekking, but also on the high mountains, on the oceans, with sea kayaking, all sorts of things. And I think that makes him one of the most versatile adventurers on the face of the planet.
Jon here. Yeah, it is. And I'd just like to say, it's outrageous up here on this plateau, and I've been in lots of outrageous places, and this is up there with the best of them.
Don't miss Off the Grid, an inspiring evening of tales from Australia's most versatile adventurer. For tickets and more info, head to worldexpeditions.com.